You can't book a stay in this vintage property in Vagamon, no matter how much money you're ready to spend. And if you're really keen about the stay, watch till the end. This 1963 hospital, named Mitraniketan, is one of the first structures Laurie Baker built in Kerala. It is now an understated architectural gem, nestled in the lap of Vagamon, Kurishimala. Run exclusively by women for over 4 decades, this stone-built structure still stands tall. No longer a healthcare center, but a sojourn for those seeking peace, tranquility, and rich historical and architectural lessons.
The name Mitraniketan for me and everybody who comes here is like it's a home of friends. So everybody who come here is some way or some other way it's connected between each other. If someone wants to visit Mitraniketan for a normal visit, a day visit and all, they can just normally send an email or just contact and get permission. And if somebody is available, they can guide you out to show you around and all. Someone wants to stay, it has to through only 2 ways. Other you should get a board member's reference because it's a residence. And other ways, Mitraniketan usually hosts some programs in a month, 1 or 2 programs. You can participate and that you can stay here.
And as promised, here's why you can't simply book a stay here. Mitraniketan is not a hotel or a resort. It's a living community, welcoming those who wish to learn from its history, architecture, and enduring spirit of service.